Hey guys, if you're looking for something sweet but not too sweet, then guess what? Payday bars is where it's at. Next to peanut brittle, I love this candy. Let's take a look at our ingredients and let's get into cooking these delicious homemade Payday bars. Okay, let's put together our simple homemade Payday bars. We're going to start by melting our butter over medium heat. Then we're going to add our peanut butter chips and get those all melted together. You want to make sure you keep everything moving because you don't want to scorch your peanut butter chips. So how simple is this? We're going to go ahead and add our miniature marshmallows to the pot. Followed by our sweetened condensed milk, and that is it. We're going to let all these flavors marry together and get nice and warm. Now you want to add a pinch of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And this is the consistency that we're looking for. That is beautiful. Okay, it's time to put our Payday bars together. So I have a square pan that I have lined with parchment paper. That's going to make for easy removal of our candy. And I'm simply just going to add my peanuts at the bottom into one nice single layer, followed by that beautiful caramel sauce. We're just going to put that caramel sauce right on top of our peanuts. Guys, I hope you're enjoying the video this far. I want to pause real quick and invite you to subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up, share the video, because we're about to get to the good part. So now we're just going to simply spread all the caramel over our peanuts from corner to corner, end to end. Now we're going to take the remainder of our peanuts and we're going to spread them evenly on top of our caramel mixture. And I like to press mine down just a little so that they can nestle themselves into that sauce. Now we're going to go ahead and place these into the refrigerator so everything can set up. As you can see, everything is nice and set, and now it's time for us to remove them from our pan. See, using the parchment paper make it so much easier to remove them from the pan. Now I like for everything to look nice and uniformed. So I'm going to shake my slab of candy up before cutting it. By using my kitchen shears, I'm going to go around the sides and cut off the excess caramel that was hanging over the sides. It just make it look nice. I'm going to be using these little snack cups to store my Payday bars in. Therefore, when I want a quick snack, I can grab and go. So now we're going to go ahead and carefully cut these up small enough to fit into our snack cups.
but my love don't cost a dime. Waiting for Santa to come. He'll be knocking on my door. Treat the old and the young. I hear sleigh bells in the snow. Holding on to a bunch of reindeer. He'll be making his rounds. Working harder for every year. When the Christmas spirit's all over town. I'm not one of them, the three wisest men, but I got an open heart. If you feel alone, just stop by my home. I don't care about who you are. If you make the trip, have a little sip, talking about the good old times. How they did it then, back in Bethlehem, when the legend came to life. I'm waiting for Santa.
Now that we have everything all cut up, we are ready to store our candies into our snack cups.
I hear sleigh bells in the snow, holding on to a bunch of reindeer.
Take a look at that. Look at that beautiful nougat in the middle of those peanuts.
When the Christmas spirit's all over town.
I'm simply going to add 2 candy squares to my snack cup. And I have a sheet of parchment paper that I cut into small circles to separate the two. How cute is that? You can easily pick it up and grab and go. When you have that unexpected sweet tooth that come along, grab you one of these. It would definitely satisfy that sweet tooth. Guys, if you are a lover of peanuts and caramel, this is the perfect balance between the sweetness of the caramel and the saltiness of the peanuts. This is the perfect little snack to satisfy a sweet tooth. I hope you consider trying this recipe, and until next time, remember to keep life simple, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.